In the beginning there was nothing, not a void, not a silence, but an absence so profound that it defies comprehension. Imagine a canvas, stretched taut, but devoid of color, shape, or form. Then, in a moment that transcends time, a singularity ignited, a point of infinite density and temperature, a seed of everything that was to come. This was the Big Bang, a cataclysmic explosion of energy and potential, the birth cry of the universe. In that instant, the fabric of reality unfurled. Space and time, once mere concepts, sprang into existence, stretching and expanding like a balloon, filled with the breath of creation. The universe began to cool, and as it did, particles emerged from the chaos. Quarks and electrons danced in a primordial ballet, colliding and coalescing, forming the building blocks of matter. Hydrogen and helium, the simplest of elements, emerged from the furnace of creation, their bonds forged in the heat of a newborn cosmos. As the universe expanded, it became a vast ocean of possibilities. Galaxies began to swirl and coalesce, like cosmic whirlpools, drawn together by the invisible threads of gravity. Stars ignited, their nuclear furnaces burning bright, illuminating the dark expanse of space. Each star, a sun, birthed planets, moons, and asteroids, a celestial menagerie spinning in the cosmic dance. It was a chaotic symphony, a harmony of forces and elements, each playing its part in the grand orchestration of existence. But what of life? In this vastness, on a small blue planet nestled in the arms of a modest star, the conditions aligned just right. Water pooled in the depths of ancient oceans, and from the primordial soup, life emerged. Simple cells, then complex organisms, each a miracle of evolution, adapting and thriving in a world shaped by the very forces that birthed the universe. From the tiniest microbe to the towering redwoods, life flourished, a testament to the resilience of existence. Yet, as we gaze into the night sky, we are reminded of our origins. Each star we see is a remnant of that explosive beginning, a flicker of the energy that once filled the cosmos. We are stardust, forged in the hearts of ancient stars, our atoms tracing their lineage back to that singular moment of creation. The universe is not just a backdrop to our lives, it is the very essence of who we are. And so, we ponder our place in this grand tapestry. Are we mere accidents in a vast, indifferent cosmos, or are we the universe becoming conscious of itself? In the end, the question remains. From the chaos of the Big Bang, what meaning do we find in our fleeting existence?